Brad Mayo, Tom Sparks Auto, Dekalb, Illinois. Hey, check this one out. 2016 Chrysler Town and Country. Nice car, huh? Van, alloy wheels, privacy glass, even got a roof rack up on top. Rear backup assist along with a backup camera. We do have power sliding doors, power lift gate, and we can run that off from our remote right here, as you can see. And it's got keyless start, so I mean remote start too, so you like that. Stone go, nice floor mats to come with the car. That means those two seats will fold down flat into the floor. Same with the two middle seats. I'll show you where those go in a minute. It's a front wheel drive, 6-cylinder, clean auto check. Plenty of get up and go. It's one owner. Does have factory warranty left on it, and we've got all the maintenance up to date too. So she's all set to go. Look at that, nice quad seats, nice beige leather, nice and clean. Nice clean back seat. That's where those seats go down into. You got rear DVD entertainment system. Close that up. You got power windows, door locks, mirrors, power rear vent, auto headlights, cruise and radio controls on the steering wheel, navigation, backup camera shows up there, dual automatic climate control, cup holders with storage areas. This van has quite a bit of things, but it's missing one thing. You know what that is? You need to get down here and buy this one. Check out our inventory and pictures of this car on TomSparks.com. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to ask for Brad. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.